With the increasing number of fuel cell electric vehicles FCEV, let us have a brief comparison between fuel cell vehicles and electric vehicles based on different aspects. FCEV produce no tailpipe emissions. That is, as we know, they operate on fuel cells which use hydrogen in combination with oxygen in order to produce electricity with water vapor and warm air as byproducts. So, hydrogen based fuel cell electric vehicles as well as electric vehicles both do not produce tailpipe emissions. Next is refueling or recharging time. FCEV refueling is faster and it takes about just 5 minutes at a hydrogen station, whereas EVs take more time to recharge the battery from minutes to about some hours at a recharging station. So we can say that FCEV is a better choice in this case. Infrastructure for refueling or recharging. FCEV hydrogen refueling stations are less. Currently, the infrastructure is not that developed, whereas EV recharging stations are growing much faster and they offer much better services. So they are better in this case. Safety. FCEV hydrogen leakage can cause hazards. So as we know, the hydrogen is stored on the hydrogen storage tanks on vehicles, which can be hazardous. Whereas EV batteries also have issues with overheat, overcharge that can cause injury. That is, there can be battery overheat and overcharge. In both these cases, there are technological advances that are improving the safety issues. The main challenges of hydrogen powered vehicles are that associated with hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen fuel is obtained by the process of natural gas reforming, and in this process there is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide emitted, which causes global warming. Also, the methane leaks worsens the effects. So we can say that both FCEV as well as EVs require improvements in different aspects. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.